How much is a horse?
100 guitars. You're already thinking about... They stay with us all the time for someone who cannot finish. Okay, so 5 more minutes.
5 minutos. Posible, todo final. Posible 10, máximo, 10, máximo.
Okay, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We can do that. Yeah. Yeah, it's like flowing, but you can still see the valley, and the view is just, you know, the weather is just perfect. So it has been raining. It has been raining for the last few days.
Imagine we were cold here and wet and wouldn't see anything.
Yeah, and
I think that's better.
And we were like, I was like considering not to go.
Yeah.
And but it's my last day, so I decided like, fuck it. It's just 15 euros. Let's see the volcano. Yeah. And I actually bought like a rain jacket just in case. But it turns out I don't need it because the weather is just perfect. Okay, so marshmallows. The tour guide is preparing them on the volcano. So I'm standing on the volcano. You can feel the heat coming up from the rocks, and look at that view. You can see the lava flow. If the GoPro could zoom in, I would show you, but it looks amazing. I guess you have to just come here. It's not the sunset tour, but we have like a mini sunset over there. It's still satisfying.
Let's do a 2-man selfie.